All right, guys. So Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market did crash even more today. So in today's video, of course, I want to talk about Bitcoin. I want to talk about, why you guys should not panic right now. Why this is the best time right now to buy Bitcoin. Take this opportunity to buy this dip because, as I told you guys many times, it's September. Historically, September is one of the worst months for Bitcoin and the entire cryptocurrency market, and in general, the stock market as well. It's not just the crypto market, guys. So historically, September is generally a bad month, okay, for the crypto market, even the stock market in general, right? So this is completely normal. I told you guys many times, okay. This month, September, we will see crashes happening, and as expected, that's exactly what the crypto market is doing right now. Even the stock market is crashing as well. So today, yes, I want to give you guys an update what is happening with Bitcoin. There is, in fact, a fair few things that I want to show you guys. Okay, so this video could potentially be pretty long. Okay, so we will see. But guys, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you guys haven't already. That is always appreciated. And let's begin with this video. So Bitcoin right now, guys, okay, 54,400. Just below, okay, 54,500. And yes, and clearly see we are in fact in the 4-hour time frame. And yes, Bitcoin today is dropping even more. Actually went as low as 52,600, which is insane, right? But it is now slowly recovering. Okay, if we go to the 1-hour time frame, right, you can clearly see we did see Bitcoin just yesterday, okay, just below $57,000, around $56,000, and then it dropped all the way down to about $52,000. But it is now slowly recovering back up to that 54K level. So Bitcoin did drop pretty decently today. Ethereum has dropped a fair bit as well. It's now sitting at $2,200. Great time right now to buy Bitcoin and Ethereum and a lot of these altcoins in the crypto market. A lot of these altcoins are down quite a bit today. So guys, should you panic sell Bitcoin right now? Right, everyone's wondering, what should they do right now with Bitcoin and crypto? Okay, should they sell? Right, should they buy? Okay, and the short answer to that and the simplest answer to that is, guys, buy more. Okay, this is obviously a great opportunity to buy more because we know, guys, a massive bull run is coming. We are in fact about to enter the next bull cycle. We know that. So why would you sell now? It will be really stupid right now to sell. Okay, this is obviously not the time to sell, guys, because the bull run is literally right around the corner. I told you guys next month in October. October is obviously one of the most bullish months for Bitcoin and crypto. So why would you sell now? Why wouldn't you buy now? Okay, buy during this dip. Take this as a huge opportunity, okay, to buy more, right? And just simply hold and let the gains come to you because a bull run is coming. Why would you panic sell now? There's nothing to panic about, right? Bitcoin is sitting at $54,000. There's nothing to be scared about, guys. Okay, that really isn't. So continue to hold, guys, and of course buy. And if you can't buy, okay, hold. Very simple. Okay, that is that, guys. So the crypto market today, okay, not looking that great, which is a thumbs up because we can buy more right at a cheap price. You guys can clearly see the global crypto market cap is now below 2 trillion, sitting at 1.92 trillion, and overall the market today is down 2%. I'm actually going to refresh this because is that actually just down 2%? Yes, it is. Okay, I think it was way worse early this morning. Okay, because early this morning, yeah, Bitcoin was crashing, even the entire crypto market, right? So yeah, past 24 hours, okay, Bitcoin and Ethereum, okay, are down 3%, okay, almost 3%. And for the past week, it is down 8% for Bitcoin and pretty much 10% for Ethereum. So understand, guys, both Bitcoin and Ethereum have been dropping for the past few days, and this is obviously a great opportunity to buy more. This is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, guys, to really buy Bitcoin and Ethereum at these prices. Please understand that, guys. The bull run is literally right around the corner, and when we see Bitcoin soon enough having a parabolic movement, right, we will not see Bitcoin at this price ever again. At $54,000, even Ethereum at $2,200. Please understand that this is a bargain. both these coins are in fact on sale. Now, it's not just Bitcoin and Ethereum that are in fact on sale, it's even altcoins. Okay, Yasin's clearly see a lot of altcoins today are in fact on sale, right? Yasin's clearly see that. Okay, in fact, we're not really seeing huge crashes for altcoins right now. Okay, but Yasin's clearly see for the past week, a lot of them are down 5% and some of them over 10%, right? So it's a great time right now to buy these altcoins. Okay, it really, really is. And we know, guys, alt season is obviously, right around the corner. Okay, so it's a great time right now to buy alts and Bitcoin, of course, right? Now, the FinGrid index right now is sitting at 23. So, extreme fear right now. So the sentiment has obviously changed. And yeah, it's an extreme fear. Yesterday was at 22, so slightly lower than where it is today in extreme fear. So there's a lot of fear in the market right now. There's a lot of fear for Bitcoin. There's a lot of fear for crypto in general. When others are fearful, we got to be greedy and buy, right? While others are panicking, panic selling, we got to do the complete opposite and buy, guys. So this is a great opportunity right now, okay, to buy as much as you possibly can. Okay, it really, really is. Now, yes, guys, we know, okay, September is historically the worst month for the US stocks, right? So the US market is crashing as well, guys. Okay, the stock market is crashing. Okay, and this is probably one of the main reasons why we are in fact seeing Bitcoin crashing today, even the entire crypto market, right? So if you guys look here, okay, the S&P 500 is down today, right? We are in fact in the daily time frame, and you guys can clearly see the S&P 500 is down a fair bit today, and this is pretty much what is causing Bitcoin to pretty much drop as well, guys. Please understand that, right? S&P 500 dropping, stocks are dropping, crypto market will drop as well. Okay, that's just usually what happens. And you guys can clearly see almost 2 trillion, $1.78 trillion was wiped out from the US stock market in the first week of September. Just the first week of September, guys, which is insane. Yeah, as you can clearly see, okay, a lot of stocks were dropping for the past few days, right? Yeah, as you can clearly see that a lot of reds, okay, a lot of reds. And this is one of the main reasons, okay, what is causing the crypto market to drop as well. And we know, guys, historically, September is just a bad month for Bitcoin and crypto, just like with the stock market, right? So understand, guys, this is a great opportunity right now to buy in. Okay, it really, really is. It seems like for stocks as well, right? So that's that. But yes, okay, it says here, you don't get a good October without a bad September. So yes, I'm just clearly see throughout the years, September is usually a pretty bad month for Bitcoin, right? Yeah, I can clearly see that. But understand, next month, October, that's when things will change for Bitcoin. October is one of the most, if not the most bullish months for Bitcoin. Even November is pretty decent. But look at October, which is literally next month. So if you guys really think about it, you have 1 month, just this month in September, to really buy Bitcoin, okay, at this price of $54,000. Same with Ethereum and a lot of these altcoins, because Bitcoin will skyrocket very, very soon. Next month, I'm expecting Bitcoin to skyrocket, especially altcoins, when an alt season is coming as well, guys. So understand, right? You just have, I want to say less than a month now, okay, because we are already 7 days into this month. Okay, we are already a week into this month. So realistically, you have honestly like 3 weeks. Okay, 3 weeks left to really buy Bitcoin at these low prices. And by the way, do I think Bitcoin will drop even more? It's crashing right now. Okay, do I think it will get worse? Yes. I honestly really do believe that Bitcoin will have more corrections back down to the downside in the next upcoming few weeks. We know the rate cuts are in fact coming up in about a week time, around the 17th of September or even the 18th of September, right? And once that happens, we could potentially see more corrections coming for Bitcoin, okay, which will cause the entire crypto market to crash even more, because if Bitcoin is dropping, then of course altcoins will drop as well, guys. So yes, I do believe it will get worse. Okay, And don't panic, guys. Remember, a bull run is literally right around the corner. So when it's having these drops, when it's dumping, when it's crashing, you want to take this once in a lifetime opportunity to buy more, to accumulate more. A bull run is literally right around the corner. I told you guys, Bitcoin will reach $100,000 in the next upcoming few months. I really do believe the next 3 to 6 months, Bitcoin will easily be at 100K, beyond 100K, right? And I told you guys, when we see Bitcoin reaching 100K to 150 to 200K and beyond, and even 300K and beyond, I don't think we'll ever see Bitcoin ever again at this price of $54,000 ever again in Bitcoin history, below 100K. I don't think we'll ever see Bitcoin below 100K ever again. So why not take this once in a lifetime opportunity to buy as much as you possibly can, prepare yourselves for the next upcoming bull run, right? So that is that. Okay, get ready, guys, for October, November, even December is pretty decent as well. So I still believe that Bitcoin is still on track to reaching 100K towards the end of this year in 2024. Okay, I really do believe that is very, very possible. Okay, so get ready for that. But guys, Bitcoin right now, yes, it is crashing. Okay, so the great Bitcoin crash of September 2024. And if you guys really just look at it here, if you really just zoom out at the Bitcoin chart, it is not having like a massive crash, right? It is still above the support level. And you can clearly see Bitcoin is still up. So when in doubt, guys, zoom out, right? It's that simple every single time. Okay, people say, oh my god, Bitcoin is crashing, this is it, it's over for Bitcoin, get ready. But no, guys, when in doubt, zoom out, and you can just clearly see that Bitcoin is still flying. It's sitting at $54,000. It's not like Bitcoin is back down at 40K. You know what I mean? Bitcoin is still pretty much back up close to its previous all-time highs. Okay, and we know Bitcoin recently reached a new all-time high of $73,000. And I told you guys, once we see Bitcoin coming back up to at least $70,000, okay, and breaking that resistance, okay, it will have a breakout and we will see Bitcoin reaching a new high. It will be higher than $73,000, its previous new all-time high, where it was, a couple months back in March, right? So understand, guys, yes, Bitcoin is crashing right now, but when in doubt, zoom out and you guys can clearly see that Bitcoin is still fine. Okay, it is still completely fine, guys. Okay, so that's that, right? So again, when in doubt, zoom out and you guys can just clearly see, okay, Bitcoin is always going up. Even though, yes, it is volatile, right, short term, but long term, okay, when you really zoom out here, Bitcoin is always shooting up. Every single time, okay, we enter a new bull cycle, new bull market, it always reaches a new all-time high. Every single time, guys. In Bitcoin history, throughout Bitcoin history, for the past over 15 years, Bitcoin has always reached a new high every single time we entered a new bull cycle. So understand, a new bull cycle is coming. We are in fact about to enter it, okay, next year, 2025. So of course, Bitcoin will reach a new all-time high very, very soon. And yeah, I can tell you guys this much, before this year even ends, 2024, actually when this year ends in 2024, I can tell you guys this much, that Bitcoin will be at a new all-time high. It's going to end this year higher than where it is right now. I can tell you guys that much right now. Okay, and it could potentially be at 100K and beyond, right? So understand, guys, when in doubt, zoom out. Everything is fine for Bitcoin. Okay, it really, really is. So that's that, right? There's nothing to be scared about. Right? There really, really isn't. Ignore the FUD, all of that, right? There's a lot of fear right now. I get that. But if you actually understand where Bitcoin is heading very, very soon, in the next few months, literally just next month in October, then you're fine. Because we know our bull run is coming, right? So there's nothing to panic about because Bitcoin will pump and skyrocket and there will be a lot of FOMO. Okay, I've seen this many, many times, right? So that's that. But yeah, guys, even during a bull market, right, Bitcoin does in fact have corrections, right? Yasin's clearly seeing this chart. We have seen Bitcoin back in 2017, right? Back in 2017, in that bull run, in that bull market, okay, throughout that bull market, we have seen Bitcoin dropping 38%, 33%, 36%, even 29%, right? So understand, guys, corrections are normal for Bitcoin, even during a bull market, okay? So understand, guys, yes, we are in fact about to enter the next bull market, but understand there will be corrections, okay? I don't know if you guys have ever experienced a bull market, okay, but this is in fact going to be my second bull market, right, for Bitcoin. And I can tell you guys this much, I remember back in 2021, our last bull market, we were pumping, okay, but then I remember back in mid of that year in 2021, in that bull market, we did in fact see corrections coming for Bitcoin, right, a huge correction as well, but it did eventually bounce back up. So understand, guys, in the bull market, we're not always going to see Bitcoin skyrocketing. It's not always going to be like green days, right? It's going to be red days. It's going to be days where we see Bitcoin crashing, right? So this chart just clearly show you guys, okay, during a bull market, Bitcoin does in fact have corrections, but it will shoot back up higher, right? You guys clearly see that. Okay, so dips are normal in bull markets for Bitcoin. Okay, so that's just a heads up, guys. Okay, I understand in the next bull market, corrections are completely normal for Bitcoin. Okay, so one final dip before reversal, and that's very, very true, right? Right now, what we are in fact seeing right now for Bitcoin, this could potentially be, right, in the next upcoming few weeks for this month of September. This is in fact going to be the last, correction, few dips, okay, that we're going to see for Bitcoin, and then from there on it's going to be history. I told you guys, once we actually see Bitcoin breaking this resistance line, this yellow line right here, once we actually see Bitcoin coming back up, okay, and breaking this resistance, it's going to be reaching a new high. From there on, it's going to be history. We're going to see some parabolic movements coming for Bitcoin, and it's going to reach a top, right? Now, Bitcoin's top, okay, I told you guys, 200K is very, very possible. I think $200,000 to 250, right, to even 300K and beyond are very, very possible for Bitcoin in the next upcoming bull run, right? And you guys are looking at each bull run lasts about 400 days, okay? So every bull run that we enter, guys, usually we are in fact in that bull run for about 400 days. So that's over a year, right? So understand, guys, in the next 400 days, okay, once we actually enter the next bull run, okay, from there on, it's going to be amazing for Bitcoin, right? So, of course, October, November, and December, okay, the remaining months for this year in 2024, and of course, throughout next year in 2025, will be some amazing times for Bitcoin and crypto, okay? And yes, guys, Bitcoin will reach $200,000, just like what this chart is in fact showing us here, right? But it's gonna be much higher than that. I can tell you that for a fact. I think $250,000 possible to 80 to even 300K, even beyond 300K is possible as well. I really do see that happening for Bitcoin, guys, right? And this chart also shows you guys every single time we have the Bitcoin halving event, that's when we enter our bull run. But understand, it doesn't happen straight away, okay? We have to give it a few months time, and then that's when the bull run occurs for Bitcoin, right? This is completely normal. Like I've talked about this many, many times. So understand, guys, the bull run is still going to happen very, very soon. Next month, October, that's pretty much going to be the beginning of the bull run, right? And that's why I've been telling guys many, many times that this is literally your last opportunity to really buy Bitcoin at these low prices, okay? But Marco Saylor said here, do not sell your Bitcoin. Very, very simple. Do not sell your Bitcoin. This is not the time, guys, to sell your Bitcoin. You have to understand, when you're selling your Bitcoins, these big buyers will buy it, right? People like Marco Saylor, they will buy Bitcoin. They will buy your Bitcoins. People like, I don't know, institutions, for example, okay, like BlackRock, they will buy your Bitcoins. Whales, they will buy your Bitcoins. Don't sell your Bitcoins, guys. You simply want to hold your Bitcoins, right? And I feel like a lot of these Bitcoin addresses are in fact holding their Bitcoins. They're not selling their Bitcoins because they understand where Bitcoin is heading. So I feel like a lot of people out there are in fact finally realizing where Bitcoin is heading, because a lot of these Bitcoin addresses, they are not having a lot of outflows. They are not selling their Bitcoins. They are holding the Bitcoins for long term, which is a thumbs up. This is very, very bullish, right? So understand, guys, This is a main rule if you want to be a Bitcoiner. Okay, a true Bitcoiner. You don't want to sell your Bitcoins. Understand, guys, we're here for long term. All my Bitcoin holders out there watching this video right now, you have a goal. You want to become wealthy in the future. You simply want to become a millionaire, right? And how do you get all of that? You just simply want to be a Bitcoiner, right? You simply want to hold your Bitcoins for long term, right? Understand, guys, yes, in the next upcoming bull run, I am going to sell a small percentage of my Bitcoins that I am in fact currently holding right now. Okay, I am, right? But I'm only going to be selling like, I want to sell like 20% of it. That's it, right? But with all my other altcoins, I will be selling a whole bunch of my altcoins. But with Bitcoin, I am holding a majority of my Bitcoins for long term because I know where Bitcoin is heading long term, guys, right? So that's that. I'm a investor into Bitcoin. I'm not a trader, guys. I simply invest into Bitcoin. Understand, guys. I got into Bitcoin and crypto back early 2021, right? That's when I really took it serious. And ever since then, I have not sold a dime of my Bitcoins, even a dime of my Ethereums. I have never sold any of my Bitcoins or Ethereum ever since I got in. It's been a couple years now, and I've not sold a single Bitcoin, not even a small percentage of it, even Ethereum. Understand that. But with other altcoins, I have sold. I've took profits. Okay. So understand, guys, with Bitcoin, I am not selling a whole bunch of it, only like 20% in the next upcoming bull run, right? Because I know where Bitcoin is heading long term, in the year 2030, the year 2040, 2050. I know where Bitcoin is heading, and I know Bitcoin is the future in general, right? It's going to be the future of money. Okay. We know in general, Bitcoin right now fixes a lot of things, right? It does. So I know Bitcoin in general is the future, guys. So I am not selling all my Bitcoins. And honestly, I don't even want to sell 20% of my Bitcoins, but I feel like I need to take some profits, right? Because I told you guys, if realistically, if you really don't need that money, continue holding. But if you need that money, go ahead and take some profits, right? There's nothing wrong with taking profits, taking some money off the table. No one has gone broke taking profits, right? That's how you actually make money. So personally, yes, I'm going to take some of my profits with Bitcoin, okay? And Ethereum. I'm not going to sell all my Ethereum, okay, because I see huge potential for Ethereum as well, right? But with my other altcoins, I'm going to be selling a whole bunch of them. But with Bitcoin and Ethereum, especially Bitcoin, I'm going to be hodling for the long run, right? So that's that, okay? You do not want to sell your Bitcoins, just like what Michael Saylor is in fact saying here, guys. Do not sell your Bitcoins. Not the time to do that right now, okay? Because we know everyone is literally right around the corner. So it costs $0 to study Bitcoin, and that is very, very true, guys. It literally costs $0 to study Bitcoin. For all the people out there that don't know what Bitcoin is, they're skeptics of Bitcoin, they don't believe in Bitcoin, they think Bitcoin is a scam and whatnot. Please study Bitcoin. I don't know, read a book about Bitcoin. Okay, there's great books out there like the Bitcoin Standard. That's one book. Okay, that's amazing for Bitcoin. I highly suggest that book. And I don't know, you can read the white paper for Bitcoin. That's literally on the internet. You can watch a video about what Bitcoin is. You can literally just do your own research on the internet on what Bitcoin is. It costs $0 to study what Bitcoin is, guys. I feel like a lot of people out there that are skeptics for Bitcoin, that think Bitcoin is a scam or a Ponzi scheme. They don't actually know how Bitcoin works. They don't know why Bitcoin was created at the first place. Okay, so study Bitcoin, guys. Okay, because how can you not be bullish about Bitcoin? Okay, so that's that. But yes, Bitcoin right now down 8%, over 8%, 8.1% so far. We are already 1 week into this month. Okay, 1 week, right? It's been 7 days now into this month of September, and Bitcoin is already down over 8%. And yes, it will get worse. Bitcoin is crashing right now, but I think it will get worse for Bitcoin, right? So 8% right now is pretty bad, right? We are only a week into this month, and yeah, it's down 8%. And I really do believe it's going to get worse. So understand, guys, when we see more corrections, promise me that you guys will buy more Bitcoin. This is literally a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, guys. I really want you guys to understand that. This is literally a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to buy as much Bitcoin as you possibly can right now. Okay, there will be more corrections in the next upcoming few days, few weeks, right? During this time in September. And if it happens, guys, promise me that you will buy more Bitcoin. Take it as an opportunity to buy more, right? Please, I am begging you guys, just buy more Bitcoin. This is not financial advice, so please don't research, but I really want you guys to have wealth in the future, not just for your future self, but also for your future family. Okay, this is one of the ways to do that, is to simply buy Bitcoin and hold it, and try your best to get to one full Bitcoin, because this one full Bitcoin will change your life in the future. Trust me. You may not believe it now, but you're maybe going to come back to this video, you're going to look back at it, and you will thank me, and you will say, I am right, or something like that. So that's that. But guys, I'm going to go ahead and end today's video. I hope you guys all enjoyed it. I will be most likely uploading a whole bunch of videos in the next upcoming few days, right? So stay tuned for that. Okay, I've already been uploading every single day. I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos, but yeah, I will be posting a whole bunch of videos in the next upcoming few days, so stay tuned for that. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Don't be scared right now. Continue to buy, and most importantly, hold. This is not the time to sell. You want to simply hold and let the gains come to you, because a bull run is literally right around the corner. We are in fact about to enter the next bull cycle. Understand that, guys. Not the time to sell right now. Don't panic. Okay, please just take a deep breath and relax. Okay, there's nothing to be scared about. There's nothing to panic about right now. Okay, there really isn't. And even if Bitcoin crashes even more and there's corrections, don't panic. Just continue to hold. And if you can, take it as an opportunity to buy the dip, right? Buy more, accumulate more. Simply DCA, right? So that's that. But guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this one. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys all in my next video. Have a good one, guys.